Hey buddies, as I promised guys that I'm gonna show you how I set up for the podcast guys. As much as I take out the lights inside the bags, please bear with me guys. So I'm gonna play some music so you guys are not gonna get bored by me talking here. So I'm gonna play some music. Please enjoy guys. everybody's thank you for watching all the setup, guys, until to this point. This means you guys are genuine, guys. Thank you. I don't take these things for granted, guys. So that's the whole setup, guys. Two ring lights and then two other lights, guys. So it's four lights. As I told you, even on the previous one, three people sit on the other one, three people sit where I'm sitting. So that's the whole setup. So the whole setup may take maybe 20 minutes if I'm alone, maybe 15 if there's someone who's busy assisting me to do the setup. So that's the whole set, guys. So Zbu, the guy who does 18 area, if you're a soccer fan, guys, make sure you tune in, especially on Fridays. We're gonna drop 18 areas on Fridays, guys, because mostly soccer lovers knows that, like, we do the fixtures for weekends. Saturday, Sunday, that's where the big teams plays, guys. Your Arsenal, it's either it's your Arsenal, your Manchester, your Liverpool, or it's your Kaizer Chiefs, your Orlando Pirates, your Sundowns and whatnot, guys. So stay tuned on Friday. Mostly we're gonna drop the fixtures. So it's gonna be Chauke and Makam who are doing the fixtures, because they are invested in soccer like that. So if you are somebody who like your sport betting and whatnot, gambling actually, so that's the show to tune in for in on Friday. Then me, I'm gonna be doing the highlight here and there, what's trending and stuff, guys. Talking about trending, guys, Makamu and his Buddha, guys, I asked them to join me so we can have a 2 cent here and there on the new law that have been passed by Home Affairs, that, like, a guy, remember, guys, before, especially black people, because we do lobola and whatnot, guys, so a lady must take a guy's surname, so the kids can do the same as well, because this is, when we're talking about like a family, we're talking about like a man, going to pay lobola, which is appreciation for on the parent side for raising him a wife, actually. So it's not actually paying, it's like it's a thank you, thank you for raising this good woman, maybe taking her to school and whatnot. So it's an appreciation, actually. It's not actually paying for someone, because you can't buy a person, so I wanted them to have a conversation with this new law that have been passed on the 11th, yeah, 11th of September, that a man can take a woman's surname now. So I wanted them to have a chat, but, like, yeah, I think they were lazy here and there to have a chat, or they came out late from lunch and whatnot. And then I wanted to have a chat again about Charlie Kirk, or Craig, or something like that, in America, the guy who has been shot by a 22-year-old. Because on that varsity, because Charlie is someone who, just to give you a context to who this Charlie guy is the guy who support Trump when it comes to politics. Is the guy who is against LGBTI community plus, especially especially the trans woman, for a guy when he's transitioning to be a lady, is against that, saying, yeah, you can't be, because physically you think like a man. You have a lot of, like, how can I put this, like, a benefit for you being a man, like competing on maybe women's league, or competing on anything, meaning you're above everything. He's against that and whatnot. He is on the very same cycle of who's this one, what's this lady, Candice Owens. Yes, he's on the same cycle. So I wanted boys to sit down with my guys and have a chat about it. What's their take and whatnot, and especially this home offense one of South Africa, guys, saying that a guy can take a lady's surname. Like, I wanted to know their one, two, three takes on that one as well, because, this is very fascinating, guys. To me, it sounded weird, it sounds weird. Maybe it's because it's still new. Every now and then, if ever they're gonna introduce something new, because we are used to the old ways, we're gonna say, nah, this one is not the one and stuff. That's how I'm feeling right now. But I think when time goes, I'm gonna adjust. I will understand it better, because now it's gonna be a norm. Because every time when new things is being introduced, guys, it sounds a little bit shady or so, or because we are not used to it, it sounds weird. But like when time goes, I think we're gonna adjust. We're gonna get to know. I mean, we're gonna accept this thing that, like, yo, it is here, it is happening. So I wanted them to to have a debate, a little bit of a debate about this new law that the Home Affairs have passed, guys. So I don't know, man. I hope sooner or later I'm gonna have like people who I'm gonna sit down with, like on just two, but it's just something that to have other people to have an opinion on what. Because for me it's like it's one way. It's like my take against who, you know unless you guys are busy commenting. And please, guys, comment in the comment section. It means a lot, guys. Please comment in the comment section. Excuse, the more you comment, guys, YouTube gonna refer my video to other people. So even if you can say nice chat or nice view on this the Home Affairs thing, or maybe I don't agree with, or whatever that you're gonna say, guys, YouTube gonna refer my video to other people. So please comment, don't just watch, guys. Comment in the comment section. I wanna know where can we go from here. Even if you wanna join me, just to have a chat with me, sit down with me, and whatnot, guys. I'm in Soweto. The number is gonna pass just below here on the screen. If you wanna sit down with me, you wanna have a conversation with me here and there, to build a nice setup of just two buddies, or just buddies. I like buddies. I'm gonna call you guys my buddies, because we are doing these things together. Please, guys, comment in the comment section. Like, I hope you've enjoyed the whole set of me trying to show you the behind the scene, how I do things here and there. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna see you guys on the next vlog. If it's not vlog, it's gonna be a sit down. So